My name is Tim Gleason. I am the former director of the Office of Science Outreach, but this year I am the director for our Eco Expeditions camp. So ecology is just the interaction of all of the different organisms that we see out in nature and how they all work together or against each other. And in terms of this camp, what we're going to be doing is looking at all of the different aspects of central Pennsylvania, the whole way from the geology, the bedrock, up through the soils, and then seeing how that affects all of the plants and animals and how they affect the geology and soils themselves, and look at what some of human impacts on all of those are as well. Being out in nature has a lot of its own benefits, even beyond anything that the kids are going to learn. Just the appreciation for it and the ability to see everything that they are studying. I even had one of the mentors today mention to me that it is really hard to develop an appreciation for something that you're never going to see. It's so much more impactful whenever you can actually go out and see it. We're really lucky in Center County because we have such a diverse array of different ecologies, different habitats, that people are able to go out and visit on a daily basis, all within like a half-hour drive. Tomorrow we're going over to Phillipsburg, which is just about half an hour away from State College. And Phillipsburg is a mining town. It's gone through a bunch of cycles of strip mining at this point. And now minerals that used to be down in the soil, things like pyrite and a bunch of metals, those are now up at the surface and they're getting washed into the streams. So it turns all the streams nasty orange colors and really lowers the pH, and it's really hard for anything to survive in there. What the kids are going to be doing tomorrow is visiting an area called Project 70. And that is an area where there is one side of the valley is pristine, beautiful game lands, one half strip mines, and the waters from both sides come down into Coldstream. And at some point the Department of Environmental Protection funded a grant to put a dike in between the two. So there is a nasty orange stream, beautiful trout stream right next to each other, and you can just see the difference of what everything used to be versus what it is now. The kids are going to compare those, and then in the afternoon they're actually going to work on fixing up the acid mine drainage side. So they're going to go look at a PennDOT funded project that put in a remediation system, and they're going to be fixing it up with the Moshannon Creek Watershed Association. It's awesome to just see kids go out and get interested in this, because we keep hearing about kids these days. They're addicted to their phones and their screens, and they don't appreciate nature like they used to. And we've always said things like that, and honestly, I don't see it. I mean, yes, kids do have screens. Yes, they can look at those screens, but that doesn't mean that they appreciate nature any less. It's so nice to see how respectful and how educated they are. They seem to really have an appreciation for nature that I think they really just came in here with. And it's just so neat to see that the kids these days are actually, they're fine. They're great.